The evolution of money. Now let's start to discuss about the evolution of money. Money isn't just currency, it's power, freedom, and the fuel driving every dream and decision. Money, the fuel of empires, the power behind every throne, and the pulse of our world today. Money didn't just change our wallets, it changed the world, creating a system as essential as air. Another important topic is barter system origins. Imagine trading goats for grains. This was the reality of early trade, direct, raw, and painfully limited. Barter was primal, but it was inefficient, leading people to realize the need for something better, a universal value. Topics 3. Rise of commodity money. Gold, silver, precious stones. People moved from bartering to using metals as currency, setting the stage for a real economy. When trade could rely on stable, valuable commodities, the power of exchange took a massive leap forward. Topics 4. The birth of coins. Enter coins, standardized, portable, and powerful. Empires minted their symbols on metal, marking territory and trust. With coins, money became tangible and trusted, a stepping stone to civilizations that could expand, connect, and conquer. Topics 5. Introduction of paper money. Imagine revolution in a slip of paper, lighter, faster, and backed by trust. Paper money was a turning point for massive trade. The Chinese led the way, making global commerce more accessible and inspiring the financial systems we recognize today. Topic 6. The rise of banks. With banks came the true guardians of wealth, institutions people could trust with their livelihoods and legacies. Banks evolved from simple storage to centers of economic power, giving birth to loans, deposits, and the economy as we know it. Topic 7. The gold standard. The gold standard set a rock-solid value on money. Currencies tied to gold brought stability but also a power struggle over resources. This standard brought certainty in finance, but also limited growth, paving the way for the next financial leap. Topics 8. Fiat currency revolution. Fiat currency threw out the rulebook, no longer tied to gold. Money became a government promise, a belief in power. This shift unlocked massive growth, but also inflation and financial crises, changing economies forever. Topics 9. Credit cards take over. Plastic revolutionized finance. Now, buying power was limitless. Just swipe, spend, and settle later. Credit fueled consumerism and convenience, but left the world with an addiction to debt and instant gratification. Topics 10. The digital banking era. Banking went digital. No more long lines. Money became accessible anytime, anywhere, unlocking freedom and global transactions. This era turned cash to code, linking people to wealth at the tap of a finger, erasing borders and limitations. Topics 11. The cryptocurrency revolution. Cryptocurrencies, an uprising against central control, offering freedom, security, and privacy to anyone with an internet connection. Bitcoin and its peers aren't just digital assets, they're rebellion, a new frontier in the struggle for economic freedom. Topics 12. Blockchain technology. Blockchain, the backbone of trustless finance, an open, transparent, and secure ledger where every transaction is recorded permanently. This technology isn't just powering crypto, it's reshaping trust, security, and transparency across industries worldwide. Topics 13. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. Governments took notice. Enter CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, a state-controlled answer to crypto, linking the old world with the new. With CBDCs, governments aim to keep control in the digital age, but will the people buy in? Topics 14. Future of money. Decentralization versus regulation. The next battle in finance isn't about paper or plastic. It's freedom versus control. Decentralization versus regulation. The future of money teeters between total autonomy and government oversight. a crossroads of liberty and control. Topics 15. At the end of this video, we reached a conclusion. That is, money's journey has reshaped society, moving from hands to screens, from coins to code. Its future? That's up to us. Money, like power, never stands still. The only question is, who will control it next?